Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the press conference for the announcement of the Shaw Prize Laureates 2025. I'm Master Chan, and it's my honor to be your MC for this event. 大家好，歡迎大家嚟臨2025年度邵逸夫獎新聞發佈會。我係今日嘅主持人陳子清。This year is the 22nd year that the Shaw Prize has been awarded. We are delighted to meet you all again, and thank you for joining us. And also a big hello to everyone watching the live press conference broadcast online. 今年係邵逸夫獎頒發第22年啦，非常之高興可以喺呢一度再一次同大家見面，亦都同時歡迎喺網上面收睇緊我哋直播嘅觀眾朋友。Before we welcome our speakers to the stage, I would like to take a moment on behalf of the Shaw Prize Foundation to announce a change in the Shaw Prize Council's membership. 喺邀請負責公佈得獎名單嘅嘉賓上台之前，我哋先代表邵逸夫獎基金會宣布邵逸夫獎理事會成員變更嘅消息。Professor Wei-Yi Chen and Professor Pek-Chung Ching have recently stepped down as members of the council. We extend our heartfelt gratitude for their 12 years of dedicated service. Professor Chen and Professor Ching will continue to support the Shaw Prize as advisors to the council. 陳慧儀教授同埋程伯忠教授早前已經係卸任理事會成員嘅職務。我哋衷心感謝兩位教授喺過去12年嚟嘅貢獻。兩位將會繼續係以顧問嘅身份支持理事會嘅工作。The Shaw Prize Council welcomes 3 new members. May we now invite them to the stage. 邵逸夫獎理事會歡迎3位新成員，我哋現在逐一邀請佢哋到台上就座。May we first welcome Professor Justin Wu, Associate Dean of Health Systems at the Faculty of Medicine, the Chinese University of Hong Kong. 首先係香港中文大學醫學院副院長、醫療系統胡志遠教授。May we now invite Professor Zhi Chunluo, Vice President at the Chinese University of Hong Kong, Shenzhen, and the Director of the Shenzhen Research Institute of Big Data. 我哋有請香港中文大學深圳副校長及深圳市大數據研究院院長羅志全教授。May we also invite Professor Ming-Chong Chu, Cho Min Lee Professor of Physics at the Chinese University of Hong Kong. 我哋同時歡迎香港中文大學卓敏物理學教授朱明忠教授。Last but not least, let's welcome Professor Kenneth Young, Chair of the Shaw Prize Council to the stage. 有請邵逸夫獎理事會主席楊江海教授到台上就座。To begin, may we call upon Professor Young to give an opening remark. 我哋首先有請楊江海教授為我哋致歡迎詞。Professor Young, please.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and good morning, good evening to those in various places around the world. Welcome to this press conference, and thank you all for helping to bring the announcement of the Shaw Prize 2025 to the world at large. The selection process for the Shaw Laureates 2025 has proceeded smoothly, and we are pleased to be able to announce the awards today with my colleagues, the new council members. The Shaw Prize was established in the year 2002. I think most of you here know the history and the marvelous work done by the late Mr. and Mrs. Shaw, and now carried on by the foundation. Since 2004, the Shaw Prize has been awarded annually for distinguished and significant achievements in the 3 scientific disciplines, namely astronomy, life science and medicine, and mathematical sciences. Each prize consists of a medal, a certificate, and a monetary award of $1.2 million. The Shaw Prize is an international award dedicated to honoring individuals, regardless of race, nationality, gender, and religious belief, who have achieved significant breakthroughs in academic and scientific research or applications, and whose work has resulted in a positive and profound impact on humankind. Recipients of the prize are all internationally acclaimed scholars and scientists. Thanks to the effort of members of the selection committees and colleagues of the Foundation, the prize has gained prestige worldwide over the past 21 years. We look forward to greater success of the prize in the years to come.
Thank you. Thank you, Professor Young. We'll now move on to the announcement. Our colleagues are now handing out the press releases. 接住我哋即將要宣布2025年度邵逸夫獎嘅得獎結果。我哋嘅工作人員現正派發得獎者嘅資料同埋有關嘅新聞稿。The 2025 laureates and their citations will be announced in the order of English, Putonghua, and Cantonese, respectively, by Professor Justin Wu, Professor Zhi Quanluo, and Professor Ming Cheng Zhu. 胡志遠教授、羅志全教授以及朱明忠教授將會依次序分別以英語、普通話同埋廣東話公佈各獎項嘅得獎人以及其讚詞。I will now invite Professor Wu to begin the announcements in English. 現在我哋有請胡教授先以英語宣讀。Professor Wu, please.
The Shaw Prize in Astronomy 2025 is awarded in equal shares to John Richard Bond and George Efstasio for their pioneering research in cosmology, in particular for their studies of fluctuations in the cosmic microwave background. Their predictions have been verified by an armada of ground, balloon, and space-based instruments, leading to precise determinations of the age, geometry, and mass energy content of the universe. The Shaw Prize in Life Science and Medicine 2025 is awarded to Wolfgang Baumeister for his pioneering development and use of cryogenic electron tomography, cryo-ET, an imaging technique that enables three-dimensional visualization of biological samples, including proteins, macromolecular complexes, and cellular compartments as they exist in their natural cellular settings. The Shaw Prize in Mathematical Sciences 2025 is awarded to Kenji Fukaya for his pioneering work on symplectic geometry, especially for envisioning the existence of a category nowadays called the Fukaya category, consisting of Lagrangians on a symplectic manifold, for leading the monumental task of constructing it, and for his subsequent groundbreaking and impactful contributions to symplectic topology, mirror symmetry, and gauge theory.
2025年邵逸夫天文学奖平均颁予约翰·理查·邦德 （John Richard Bond） 和乔治·埃夫斯塔西欧 （George Efstasio），以表彰他们在宇宙学方面的开创性工作，尤其是他们对宇宙微波背景辐射涨落的研究。他们的预测已经得到了大量地面、气球和太空观测仪器的验证，从而精确测定了宇宙的年龄、几何结构和智能含量。2025年度邵逸夫生命科学与医学奖颁予沃尔夫冈·鲍麦斯特 （Wolfgang Baumeister），以表彰他对于冷冻电子断层成像技术 （cryo-ET） 的开创性研发和应用。该三维可视化成像技术使蛋白质、大分子复合物和细胞间隙等生物样本在自然细胞环境中的存在状态得以呈现。2025年度邵逸夫数学科学奖颁予深谷贤治 Kenji Fukaya， 以表彰他在新几何学领域的开创性工作，特别是预见到如今被称为深谷范畴的存在。该范畴由新流行上的拉格朗日子流型组成，同时他也领导了构建这一范畴的艰巨任务，并随后在新拓扑、镜像对称和规范场论方面做出了突破性且影響深遠的貢獻。
2025年度邵逸夫天文學獎平均頒予約翰理察邦德 John Richard Bond 和喬治艾夫斯塔希歐 George Efstathiou， 以表彰他們在宇宙學方面的開創性工作，尤其是他們對宇宙微波背景輻射降落的研究。他們的預測已得到了大量地面、氣球和太空觀測儀器的驗證，從而精確測定出宇宙的年齡、幾何結構和質能含量。2025年度邵逸夫生命科學與醫學獎頒予沃爾夫岡鮑麥斯特 Wolfgang Baumeister， 以表彰他對於冷凍電子斷層成像技術 Cryo-ET 的開創性研發和應用。該三維可視化成像技術使蛋白質、大分子複合物和細胞間隙等生物樣本在自然細胞環境中的存在狀態得以呈現。2025年度邵逸夫數學科學獎頒予深谷賢治 Kenji Fukaya， 以表彰他在新幾何學領域的開創性工作，特別是預見到如今被稱為深谷範疇的存在。該範疇由新流形上的拉簡諾日子流形組成，同時他也領導了構建這一範疇的艱巨任務，並隨後在新拓撲、鏡像對稱和規範場論方面作出了突破性且影響深遠的貢獻。
Thank you, professors. 好多謝我哋三位嘅教授。To better understand the 2025 laureates' accomplishments, we now bring in the chairs of the three respective selection committees to introduce the laureates' backgrounds and also their research. 為咗令到大家可以更加深入咁樣去了解邵逸夫獎得獎者佢哋嘅傑出成就，我哋邀請咗3個獎項嘅遴選委員會主席，同我哋介紹得獎者嘅背景同埋佢哋嘅研究工作。Let's begin with Professor Scott D. Tremaine, Chair of the Selection Committee for the Shaw Prize in Astronomy 2025. Professor Tremaine is Emeritus Professor of the Department of Astrophysical Sciences at Princeton University and the Institute for Advanced Study, Princeton, USA. 我哋首先係有請2025年度邵逸夫天文學獎遴選委員會主席斯科特·特里梅恩教授。佢係美國普林斯頓大學以及普林斯頓高等研究院天體物理科學系嘅榮休教授。
The cosmic microwave background, or CMB, is the oldest light in the universe, emitted about 400,000 years after the Big Bang, when the universe first became transparent. The CMB is almost perfectly uniform across the sky, except for small fluctuations that trace the differences in density from which all structure in the universe grew, including planets, stars, and galaxies. The 2025 Shaw Prize in Astronomy is awarded to J. Richard Bond and George Efstathiou for pioneering research in cosmology, in particular for their theoretical studies of temperature and polarization fluctuations in the CMB. Bond and Efstathiou recognized that the CMB was exquisitely sensitive to the composition, geometry, and history of the universe, made precise predictions for its behavior, and worked closely with experimentalists to test their predictions. Their seminal calculations of the CMB power spectrum have been confirmed by radio telescopes operating from the ground, from balloons, and in space, and yield accurate values for the age and expansion rate of the universe, its spatial geometry, and the fractional contribution to the mass energy content from dark energy, dark matter, and ordinary matter. The Shaw Prize also recognizes Bond and Efstathiou's other contributions to understanding the large-scale structure of the universe. Efstathiou was a driving force in the cosmological data analysis for the Planck spacecraft, which has provided the most accurate all-sky measurements of the CMB, and led both large galaxy surveys and the development of numerical simulations of the evolution of large-scale structure. Bond developed the concept of the cosmic web, the vast network of interconnected filaments, sheets, and voids that acts as a scaffold for galaxy formation and evolution, developed the mathematical theory of the statistics of peaks of random fields, and identified these peaks with the sites of galaxy formation.
Following, we'll have Professor Bonnie Bassler, Chair of the Selection Committee for the Shaw Prize in Life Science and Medicine 2025, also Squibb Professor and Chair of the Department of Molecular Biology at Princeton University, USA. 接住我哋係有請2025年度邵逸夫生命科學與醫學獎遴選委員會主席邦尼巴斯勒教授。巴斯勒教授係美國普林斯頓大學分子生物學系主任及 Squibb 講座教授。
Wolfgang Baumeister is awarded the Shaw Prize in Life Science and Medicine for his pioneering development of cryogenic electron tomography, cryo-ET. Cryo-ET is a technique that allows three-dimensional imaging of biocomponents as they exist in their natural cellular settings. Cells possess billions of components that do the work to keep organisms alive. Sometimes these biocomponents work alone, and sometimes they work in multi-component complexes. Scientists have lists of the individual components, but in most cases, our knowledge comes from studies of the isolated biocomponent. In cells, these biocomponents do not work alone. For life to happen, proper interactions between biocomponents are required. And these interactions must take place in cells that are crowded with billions of other biocomponents. Baumeister's breakthrough is cryo-ET, a technology that enables the study of biocomponents in the intact cell. In cryo-ET, biological samples are rapidly frozen to preserve the native organization. Next, sequential pictures of the sample are captured as it is rotated to acquire its three-dimensional structure at nearly the level of every atom. This revolutionary advance in imaging is important because knowing both the structures and locations of biocomponents within cells is crucial for understanding their functions in health and disease. Beyond his tour de force efforts in technology development, Baumeister demonstrated the power of cryo-ET through study of the 26S proteasome complex, a molecular machine that removes damaged proteins from cells, which is necessary for our cells to stay healthy. He also used cryo-ET to provide vital understanding of how viruses infect host cells, studies that have guided new therapeutic developments. In summary, Baumeister has both developed and applied methods to reveal the inner workings of cells at an unprecedented level. The technology is transforming our understanding of normal life processes and how they go awry in disease.
Finally, let's listen to Professor Elaine Ernaux, Chair of the Selection Committee for the Shaw Prize in Mathematical Sciences 2025. Professor Ernaux is currently Einstein Professor Emeritus at the Free University of Berlin, Germany. 最後，我哋有請2025年度邵逸夫科學數學科學獎遴選委員會主席伊蓮埃斯洛教授。埃斯洛教授係德國柏林自由大學 Einstein 講座嘅榮休教授。
In classical mechanics, the time evolution of a physical system is described as a flow over the phase space determined by a Hamiltonian function. In the 60s, Arnold proposed conjectures in order to study the lower bound of the number of periodic solutions of the flow when the Hamiltonian is time periodic. In modern mathematics, phase spaces are generalized to symplectic manifolds. In the 80s, Flohr initiated the Lagrangian Flohr theory as an approach to tackling Arnold's conjecture based on the idea of infinite-dimensional Morse theory. Under some assumptions on the symplectic manifold and Lagrangian submanifolds, Flohr constructed the Flohr homology from the space of solutions to a nonlinear partial differential equation called the moduli space. And he applied it to solve Arnold's conjecture when the moduli space is not too complicated and has manageable singularities. Kenji Fukaya, the Shaw Prize Laureate 2025 for Mathematical Sciences, together with his collaborators Ota and Ono, significantly extended the Lagrangian Flohr theory. Around 1993, based on his idea of Morse homotopy, Fukaya proposed to assign an A infinity category, called nowadays the Fukaya category, to any symplectic manifold. It was a breakthrough. However, the mathematical tools to fully justify this vision were missing. It took years for Fukaya and his collaborators to perform a complete construction. To deal with the singularities of the moduli space, Fukaya and his co-authors developed the theory of Kuranishi structures. The Fukaya category became a highly efficient tool in symplectic topology and related fields. In particular, Kontsevich formulated the homological mirror symmetry conjecture as an equivalence between the Fukaya category of a Calabi-Yau manifold and the derived category of coherent sheaves on its mirror manifold. Fukaya has made transformative contributions to the development of mirror symmetry, notably by proposing family Flohr homology.
Thank you. Thank you, professors, and also congratulations to all laureates. 我哋再一次多謝3位嘅教授為我哋講解啦，咁同埋咧，亦都要恭喜所有嘅得獎人。 The 2025 Shaw Prize Award presentation ceremony will be held on the 21st of October at the Hong Kong Convention and Exhibition Centre. Further information will be announced closer to the date. Stay tuned to our social media platform and website for updates. 2025年度邵逸夫獎頒獎典禮將會喺今年嘅10月21號喺香港會議展覽中心舉行。有關詳情可以留意我哋嘅社交平台同埋網站宣佈，敬請留意。